Hello everybody, Darsha. So today we are going to learn about strings and string methods. So strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. For an example, double quotation hello, and we will close hello with double quotation. You can display a string literal with a print function, like we can assign hello to a particular variable and print a. So we will discuss further, so we will attend further discussions in PyCharm. So let us move on to our computer. So now we are on our computer and let us understand what are strings. So first of all we will type double quotation mark and write hello. But first we will print but first we will print it, so we can see it in the terminal. So print hello. By the way, you can use single quotation mark and double quotation mark. They both are acceptable by Python if you want to write string. So let us run it. So here you can see that hello world is printed. So now let us explore more of string methods. So now, uh, and as I told, we can assign a string to a variable like hello hello world and print it and write and sorry and print the variable and run it. Here you can see that hello world is printed because the variable is printed and the value assigned to the variable is a string. So now let me teach you a principle in Python. So if you come from other programming languages, strings in Python are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. So in simple language, if I assign a string to a variable like hello world and print it a, and beside it I will give square brackets and write one. So now here you can see that when we write the index of a string. If you are wondering what is index and what have I written on the screen, I have written one because there is a concept called indexing in Python. Like the indexing are represent the characters or the letters in a string. Like H is 0, E is 1, L is 3, L and second L is 5, O is 6. So consecutively, uh, the characters are given the numerical values. I hope you understood it, and I want you to remember it that indexing always starts with 0. So here you can see that I have written 1. So 0 is H and E, and the first index is E. So it is written as E. So as I told, it is an array, so we can use indexing. So now let us understand the string length of a string. So again, let me give a va- let me set a variable and give it a value of string hello world and print length. I have written length, so a. So I will print it. So I have written len here because it represents length. So it represents the how many letters or characters are present in a string. Like hello world consists of 11 characters. including the space in the beginning of the string, in anywhere in between of the string, and including end of the string. So it has total of 11 characters in it. So this is called the length function in a screen. So now let us understand the concept of slicing of a string. So slicing of a string is commonly used in machine learning and deep learning. You can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. Specify the start index and end index separated by a colon to return a part of string. So let me write here b is equal to hello world. Hello world. So now let me print it. So now I will write I will give the variable, use square brackets, and write the index of the string, like let me take as 2, and I will give a colon 5. So slicing means how many characters are between the starting index and the ending index. So the starting index here is 2 and the ending index here is 5. So let me print it. So here we can see that LLO is printed here. So 0, 1, 2. So 2 index. So L is 5 and 6 is O, sorry, 4 is O and 5 is the space. So so here you can see that LLO is plain. This is called slicing. And in case if you do not give the ending index, it will assume that you want to print it till the end. So it will uh, give the string till the end. Simultaneously, if you do not enter the starting index or refer it, it will assume that you want to print the starting string from the starting of the string. So now let us explore more of some of the string methods of it. For an example, upper, lowercase, and if we were to replace or strip it. For an example, a is equal to hello world, and I will print it. So now I will assign the variable a dot upper. Upper means uppercase, and you will assign the variable. Now let me print it. A dot upper. So a dot upper is assigned to the variable. So here you can see that hello world is written in uh, capital letter, aka uppercase. So if I want to change it in lowercase, if hello world is written in uppercase, in case in the string hello world, and I want to change it in lowercase, I will print it. And here you can see that it is printed or in the terminal as lowercase area. So now let me tell you what is replace. So I will write here replace, and the replace without spaces is actual text. So I will run it. So here we will write a dot replace, and we will assign the values we want to replace here. So we will give it a value as let me say h, close the parenthesis, and give a comma, and write for an example. I want to replace j by h by j, so I will write j here. One second, comma j, and I will print it. So here you can see that instead of hello, it is written as jello, and h is replaced by j. So it is all for today. So by the way, I am Darsh and this is Quantum Code, your go-to destination for all coding and programming stuff. Whether you are a seasoned developer looking to expand your skills or a newcomer eager to dive into world of coding, this channel is for you. Join us as we explore the latest trend, tips and tutorials to help you master the art of coding. Subscribe now, join our community and of passionate coders. Thank you for watching. Bye.